All right, here's checkpoint 1. So again, solve this one and see if you come up with the same answer that I got. All right, so here we go. So I've got cosine here. I've got cosine 2x. I want to get rid of this 2x, right? I want something with x in it. And I got a cosine here, so I want something with cosine here. Remember, there's 3 different ways I could rewrite this. Let's use the one that has cosine squared x in it. And so that's going to be 2 cosine squared x minus 1. So we're going to do 2 cosine squared x minus 1 plus cosine x. Is that going to work? Is that going to work? Oh, let me see here. Okay, what am I looking at here? So this is going to be 1. If I do... Okay, so if I do cosine squared x plus cosine x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now it's in quadratic, it's for a quadratic form. Will that help me? Oh yes, yes it will. Because if I take negative 1 times 2, that gives me negative 2. So what factors of negative 2 will give me 1 here? That's going to be negative 1 and 2. So now I can rewrite this as 2 cosine squared x plus 2 cosine x minus cosine x minus 1 equals 0. So then this is going to be 2 cosine x times cosine x plus 1 minus the quantity cosine x plus 1 is equal to 0. And finally, we can factor out the cosine x plus 1, so we get cosine x plus 1 times 2 cosine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can use the zero product principle, and we get cosine x plus 1 is equal to 0, and we get 2 cosine x minus 1 is equal to 0. And then finally we get cosine x is equal to negative 1 and or cosine x is equal to a half. Now if we're looking at the restricted domain of 0 to 2 pi, what are the values of cosine x? What are the values of x that the cosine is equal to negative 1? Well, that's going to be pi. It's just going to be pi. So x is going to equal pi. And what about 1/2? So the cosine of what angle equals a half, that's going to be the 30-degree angle, or pi over 6. And so cosine is positive in the first and fourth quadrant. So that's going to be pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6, right? Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's not 30-degree angle. That's 60-degree angle. Sorry, cosine. Thinking sine. So that's going to be yeah, that's going to be pi over 3. So it's going to be pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Okay, there you go. And now in the general case, in the general solution would be x is equal to pi plus 2n pi and pi over 3 plus 2n pi and 5 pi over 3 plus 2n pi. All right. Have a great day.